Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Rheault, a small rural community near Sudbury, Ontario, surrounded by peaceful forests and open fields. Rheault's history is tied to farming, forestry, and the growth of Northern Ontario's rail lines. The community's name comes from early settlers with the Rheault family name, whose presence helped shape the area's identity. The landscape here changes beautifully with the seasons, from lush green summers to snowy winter scenes. While small, Rheault is only a short drive to the larger city of Sudbury, making it a peaceful spot that's still close to modern conveniences. Whether you're just passing through or staying a while, Rheault offers a warm welcome in the heart of Northern Ontario. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Rheault, Ontario.